Kasinungalingan ni Dennis Padilla, ibinulgar ni Marjorie Barreto. Mukhang hindi na nga nakapagpigil pa ang ex-wife ni Dennis Padilla na si Marjorie Barreto kontra sa interview niya kamakailan lamang sa sikat na kolumnistang si OJ Diaz. Dahil mukhang sumabog na nga si Marjorie at sinabi nito ang di umano'y mga totoong pangyayari sa kasal ng kanilang anak na si Claudia. Galit na isa-isang sinagot ni Marjorie ang mga naging paratang sa kanya ni Dennis Padilla at ang di umano'y hindi pagpayag ng mag-iinang i-walk down the aisle di umano ang anak nitong si Claudia. Ayon nga kay Marjorie, alam naman di umano ni Dennis noong una pa lamang kung saan talaga ang posisyon niya sa nasabing wedding. Narito at pakinggan natin ang mga sinabi ni Marjorie Barreto.
At the front row where the mother and the father of the bride should be, and I will not say sorry for that. I raised my child single-handedly, Dennis. I raised her till the last day of her single life. I was there with her. I took care of her. I did everything for that daughter. I deserved that seat in the front. And I didn't want to be with Dennis because maangas ka, Dennis. Maangas ka, Dennis Padilla. Hindi ka mabuti sa akin. Hindi mo kayang mag-pretend para sa mga bata. Paano ka namin isasama pag birthday ng mga anak natin? Tensyon ang dala mo eh. Bakit ang daming magkahiwalay, OG? Pwedeng magsama. Pwede, bakit? Bakit ikaw hindi? Bakit ang galit mo sa akin sobra-sobra? Naging mabuti ka bang asawa sa akin? Parang bait-bait mo sa akin, tas iniwan kita eh. Parang ganun eh.
Parang ganun lumalabas.
No, Dennis, no. I should have left you so much earlier. You know, salbahe ka sa akin eh. Diba, dapat lang na umalis ako sa relasyon na yan bago mo ako mapatay.
So,
okay na tayo doon.
Ibig sabihin, hindi naman siya dinedma at all. Pinapaupo siya doon, ayaw niya.
No, nagdadrama
Mas pinili niya yung dulo.
Nagdrama na eh. Dennis, alam mo nung nagwa-walk down ng aisle yung bata, just like all the guests, tingnan mo to ha, Dennis ha, ang mga guests doon nag-iiyakan, yung mga kapatid, like, wow, Claudia's getting married. Bakit ang iniiyak mo yung hindi ka nakalakad? This is not about you. You should be, wow, crying because, oh my God, ang ganda ni Claudia nung pumapasok ng simbahan, di ba? Wala sa lugar ang mga iniiyak mo. Tungkol pa rin sa iyo to. Ang parents' love is a sacrificial love, We sacrifice for our children. Binigay mo na sana yung araw na yun sa bata. Hindi mo na nga pinalaki. Hindi mo na nga inalagaan. Hindi mo na prinotektahan. Bigay mo na yung happiest day of her life sa kanya. Ba't ka nag-iyak? Alam mo, nakita ko sa TikTok, ang bait niya. Talagang, anong nangyari? Sabi daw niya sa mga coordinator, anong nangyari? Na defeated and crying. Galit siya. He was causing a commotion. Dennis, you were causing a
during
commotion.
The wedding, right?
During. Pagdating pa lang ni Claudia, hindi ko to nakikita. All of this were told to me after the ceremony, before the reception. He was causing a commotion. He was pacing, walking, ganon, complaining. Tumataas ang boses mo, Dennis. They had to ask you to please lower your voice. And when you could not be controlled, they told you, can we take this outside? Can we take this discussion outside? Oji, I know how Dennis is short-tempered, explosive, walang pakialam sa breeding, manners, whatever. Bakit ako gagawa ng mga bagay na kaiinisan mo ng sadya? Kung alam ko you're a ticking time bomb, anytime you will freak out. Ba't ko gagawin yun, Oji? Dennis, I wanna choose my words nicely. When I left you 18 years ago, I removed your power over me. I suffered so much. Physical abuse, financial abuse, verbal abuse was even worse to me than physical abuse. I will take the beating anytime. But his verbal abuse is mura na hindi mo alam kung saan nanggaling ang words and terms. I'll take that all. Ayokong maramdaman ng mga anak ko yun. Hindi na kita iniisip, hindi kita hini-hate all these years. I removed your power over me. So yung pag pinagkikwentuhan mo ang isang 1-hour ceremony, para na siyang telenovela, Oji. pag ninarrate ni Dennis yun, parang ang daming nangyari. Parang inapi siya mula nang dumating hanggang umalis. Sinong mag-aapi sa kanya? We were all focused on the bride and the groom, listening to the homily of the priest. You know? Sino ang nananakit sa'yo? Kung nalileft out ka, wala ka kasi sa buhay ng mga anak mo eh. Mas gusto mo kasi magpa-interview eh. Diba? He was raising his voice, he was causing a commotion. Yung mga pamangkin kong matatanda na, mga 40s, were just ready to whatever, stop him or whatever. Kaya kinakalma siya nung wedding coordinators. They were demanding a program, okay? Walang programa ang kasal. It's very straightforward. You enter entourage, the bride, the groom, and all of that. Hindi ka purposely left out, Dennis. Yung sinasabi mo na sinasabi ng coordinator, naiyak. Oji, narinig mo? Did you cry kay Dennis? Yung I feel you po, umiyak, hinawakan pa yata yung kamay, may ganung kwento?
Oo, nakiiyak sa kanya.
You heard that? True. The wedding coordinators, first of all, should not show emotions. Ba't sila maiiyak? We understand your situation. What they meant there is we understand your frustration because ang dami na naman pinagdaanan ng mga ganitong issue eh, di ba? But they didn't cry, they didn't hold you.
Hindi totoo yun.
No, they didn't. Naging telenovela na to, Oji. I only met with the suppliers one time and the wedding coordinators before the wedding because wala nga akong time, di ba? They were in charge of the wedding. Hindi ako in charge of the wedding, Dennis. I didn't plan the wedding. The only question was, what will happen to the father of the bride? So I said, the least cause of tension. Diba? Akala nga namin, mga lalaki sa right, mga babae sa left. So okay, hindi talaga tayo pwede pagtabi, Dennis, unless maging civil ka sa akin. And then, nag-research ako what happens sa mga separated couples na kasal yung anak nila. So there's a thing about picture taking. Diba? So sa picture taking, father of the bride with the groom and the bride, right? And then there's father of the bride, family with the groom and the bride. And then Dennis, father of the bride, the groom, the bride, and Leon, Julia. Yung children niya sa akin. Diba? So,
naganap naman yun.
Naganap yun. Pinauna ko pa.
Okay.
Kasi baka magalit na eh. Diba? There was so much adjustments for his feelings, you know? Because takot akong mag-explode. Nakakahiya mag-explode, di ba? So, he was the first. Dennis, you had a picture kung anong meron ako, kung anong nangyari sa akin, except that halfway through, I walked her holding her hand, pero hindi ko siya hinand over. Pareho lang tayo. At umupo ako sa harapan dahil alangan mamakiupo ako sa likod sa'yo. Di ba? You know, I raised her. I want to watch my daughter get married. Pareho lang tayo. He had a picture with Julia, pero ang pinapalabas lang niya, yung picture niya with the bride and the groom. And then, his mother had a proper photo with Jean. And then he also had a photo with his kids with me. Okay? After which, it was the mother of the bride with the couple. And then, mother of the bride with my children, all 5 children. And then, mother of the bride with my family. Pareho lang tayo, patas tayo, Dennis. Wala tayong lamangan doon.
So, yung mami daw ni Dennis ay umiiyak?
Yes.
Ano man totoo doon?
So I asked the wedding coordinator. Iyak daw ng iyak. Jean, ikaw yata nagsabi nito. Jennifer Padilla. Itong mga to grabe yung pinagdaan ng mga anak ko dahil hindi nila ginagamit ang Valdivia. Pero Jean, bakit ka Padilla? Hindi kayo Padilla. Ikaw, Jennifer Valdivia, kapatid ni Dennis. Ba't Padilla ginagamit mo sa Facebook? Hindi ka artista. You are a Valdivia, right? Hindi nyo ginagamit pero kinikriticize nyo yung mga anak ko. Grabe yung sinabi nila. Inapi yung nanay. Hindi pinaupo yung nanay. She was seated separately from Dennis and Jean. Because Dennis and Jean had their own world. Okay? My Mama Lina, I want to call her ex-mother-in-law because I respect her. Mama Lina, according to the coordinator asked kanina, was seated properly. Sabi niyo iyak ng iyak, na insulto, awang-awa sa inyo, Dennis. She didn't cry at all. You wouldn't know. You did not even sit beside your mother. And then, I will show you a picture to prove to you, Oji, na hindi sila inape. After the picture of Dennis with the bride and the groom and Mama Lina and Jean, nakikita kong pababa. Ako yung front, di ba? Bababa si Dennis, inaakay niya, nahirapan si Mama maglakad. Si Dennis nasa kanan, I took her by the left. I met her halfway through the stairs of the altar. And I walked with Mama para bigyan ng respeto si Mama. Kasi yun ang time na nakita ko siya eh. Di ba? She was so happy to see me. Hindi mugto ang mata ng mother-in-law ko. She was kissing me, I was kissing her, and I was hugging her. She was hugging me. Marjorie! Sabi niya, huwag ganda-ganda mo pa rin. Na-miss na kita. Saan yung sinasabi niyong inapi yung nanay ninyo? Hindi ko may picture ako OJ. I'll share with you. Please share with the public.
I saw the pictures, yes.
Did she look like she was crying?
No.
Did she look like she was mad and insulted? No. Dennis, wag nyo na. Alam mo, you're stealing the joy of my daughter in the wedding. Pati yung mother ninyo. Imbis na si mama ma-enjoy niyang makita yung anak mo na ikinakasal, gusto mo pang gamitin sa sa drama. Masyado na makalat, OG. This is too much drama. Nobody even knew until after the ceremony. So, ito, pinag-usapan niyo. First issue, walking down the aisle na address ko. Second issue, Dennis, wala pa kami sa reception, nagpa-post ka na. Walang nakakaalam na public that the wedding was on that day. Yan lang ang hiningi ng anak mo sa'yo. Kung talagang galit ka, kung talagang nanggagalaiti ka sa galit, walang nag-api sa'yo. Walang may panahon mang-api sa'yo. Walang may panahon. Budol, why budol? Bakit budol? Was that a business transaction? Sasabihin na naman ni Dennis gagamitin siya para sumikat. Yung wedding was meant to be private. It was not meant for business. Walang doon, sponsored suppliers, OG. That was all paid suppliers. Walang pang pogi points ni Claudia. She doesn't care for pogi points. You were invited because she asked her father to be part of it. Because it's right with God that she will invite you to the wedding. Okay? Budol, what is that word about? Bakit mo gagamitin budol? Post ka, inunahan mo pa yung couple mag-announce na they got married. Tapos negative pa. Another issue. Sinasabi niya daw, kitang-kita niya na Claudia was looking for him in the church.
Oo nga.
No, really, honestly.
Totoo ba?
No.
Bakit lumilingon-lingon si Claudia?
Lumilingon siya. I think she only made lingon once or twice. Look at the guests.
Hindi hinahanap si Dennis?
No, why?
Yung lingon na yun?
No. I don't mean to make my daughter seem bad, but no. Why is this so dramatic? Wala talaga. Clueless siya sa nangyayari. Tapos sabi niya, alam niya na after daw the I do, tama ba yun? Grabe, nakakaawa talaga si Dennis dun Yung sinasabi niya yun. But Dennis, it's not true what you're saying na she looked back and she was looking to the church. No, walang ganon. She was looking back, but she wasn't looking for you. I'm sorry. I don't mean to offend you or hurt your feelings, Dennis, but it wasn't about you. Again, nothing about this wedding was about you. Hindi bawat sulyap ng anak ko was about you. Hindi yung pag-walk down ng aisle niya was about you. Nothing about this wedding was about you or me. This is about them. It's about them. And then, hinawakan daw siya. Tama ba ako? Sabi niya ng wedding coordinator. At sinabi, please, sir, don't leave. Nakita ko lang yan.
Pinapakalma.
Gusto ni Chloe na may picture kayo. First of all, you heard that the wedding coordinators, they're not allowed to touch. Because not everybody likes to be touched. Okay? So there was no dramatics. They don't cry. If you know our wedding coordinators, they're very strict and emotionless. Wala daw crying. And Dennis, that was part of every wedding is they'll call the father of the bride to have a photo with the bride and the groom. It wasn't just a special request at stay. Kasi, Dennis, confused ako Kasi sinasabi niya na, alam ko, Chloe, wala kang kinalaman dito, wala kang magawa. Parang pinapalabas niya, yung hawak ko sa liig ang mga anak ko, you're not allowed to talk to your father, look at your father. Di sana hindi ka na lang namin pinapunta kung gano'n ang no? Pero, kung sa paniniwala mo, Dennis, sa mga interview mo, sinasabi mo na, alam mo, hindi ka gustuhan ni Claudia to at gusto mo i-insinuate na ako ang nagmando nitong lahat. Bakit yung mga anak ko ang inaaway mo? Bakit silang sinisiraan mo? Bakit hindi ako ang awayin mo diretso? Bakit mo sinisira yung kaligayahan ng anak mong ikinasal? Bakit mo inaaway si Julia? Hindi siya ang ikinasal. Diba? Bakit si Julia na naman? Diba? Bakit mo siniswear that your children will never see you again? Akala ko ba ako ang may kasalanan? Nalilito ka ba? Bakit galit ka sa mga anak ko kung ang paniniwala mo akong may kagagawan nito? This wedding's not about Dennis. The bride has the right to choose who will walk her down the aisle. And I asked Claudia this morning permission because I said I was going to be interviewed. I said, Claudia, why did I meet you near the aisle to walk your last steps? Because you're my mother? Because you raised me? Diba? I mean, I don't know. Alam niyo po ba, during the reception pa lang, nagpo-post na si Dennis. di ba? Ng mga ito budol-budol ng wedding, no? Alam niyo ba na hindi pa siya tumigil doon? He kept calling up Leon paulit-ulit sa phone.
Sinabi rin ni Dennis yun na gusto niyang malaman anong dahilan bakit naging bisita siya instead of walking down the aisle with
then he kept calling Julia.
Julia and hindi raw siya sinasagot.
Yes. Bakit? Dennis, bakit? Kasi meron kang ugali na pag tinawagan mo ang mga anak mo, di ko lang masabi yung words, minumura mo sila. Pag sumigaw si Dennis, talsik laway, OG. Monster! Hindi ganun ang household namin. Hindi ko pinalaki mga anak ko na ganun. You get what I'm saying? So, wedding nung kapatid, reception ng kapatid, they didn't want to hear it. They didn't want to hear. Unang-una, alam nilang walang ill intent itong wedding na to. Alam nila walang plano, walang nagplano against you, Dennis. Diba? So, tawag siya ng tawag. Pag sinagot nila yon, OG, tas minura niya yung mga anak ko or sinigawan, masisira na yung mood, diba? Imbis na enjoy nila yung once-in-a-lifetime wedding of their sister.